What's up, YouTube? You feel me? Your boy back at it. Y'all haven't seen me in a little minute, but that's how alright, boom. So y'all watch the title. Y'all looked at the title of this video. Yeah. So basically, I'm gonna see if I can restore this bike. I'm gonna show y'all the bike. This video ain't gonna be too long, but here's the plastics. I'm gonna show what they look like before, but
What the hell? Oh my God! No way!
they were terrible. Like the paint on them was terrible, and I kind of priced everything because I will turn this into a series of me. Once I sell this bike, not that bike, that one's not going nowhere. That's my baby. But once I sell that bike, the bike I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna keep trading up or selling till I get a 250. Whether it's a Chinese 250 or like a YZ or common KX. Fuck. So yeah.
I was meant to be new. I was meant to be beautiful. The world would have looked to the sky and seen hope, seen mercy. Instead, they'll look up in horror because of you.
But yeah, here she is. This is the bike, guys. So as you see, this motherfucker rough. This is what all the plastics look like. Kind of had that weird like house paint kind of shit on it. Like you could low-key peel this shit off. Anyways, yeah. So this is our starting point. You feel me? The bike actually runs. I rode it a little bit last night, but she has so many problems. It's going to be a little costly restore, but hey, that's more content for me. So it needs a new front and back tire. I don't know what possessed the little nigga to paint over this or paint on the whole bike in general. And it needs to do that because they broke the fucking like how the fuck do you even break that, bro? Hold on, let me turn on my flashlight.
Oh my God! Oh, hell no,
I've
man!
never
What
seen
the fuck,
that.
man?
Mind you, I've had multiple bikes. I know I haven't posted no limits, so you haven't seen none of them, but yes, I need a new front and rear tire. New front because this one won't hold air, and if I'm getting a new rear one, I might as well get a whole new front one. So yeah, that's the starting point right there. But if you ever want to watch a restoration and the whole build, make sure you subscribe and follow. I'm gonna start posting more content now. But yeah, this is just the overall look at the starting point. I kind of already disassembled my brake lines, XYZ. Yeah, so I'm gonna kind of just fit the plastics on here, just see what they look like after I spray painted them black. All right, see, look, it looks 10 times better already compared to what was that. So I gotta get some more paint because obviously I didn't finish the other side. I still have to paint this. I still gotta paint that little part right there, and I do have a seat cover for that. It was from my RM80, but unfortunately somebody hit me. So here's the seat cover. My bad. I gotta find a way to put that on there, but actually I'm gonna rest that on there too and see how it looks. It is just nigga rigged up there. You know how we like to do stuff, but I mean, it don't look bad. This is just kind of like a rough draft. I think what I'm gonna do is just use paint stripper and just get all that off. I'm not even going to worry about painting the actual frame. Get that shit off right there. Gotta get a new ignition. I hope he ain't steal this shit, whoever this was, because it don't have a kill switch. This shit up here don't work. Yeah, I found that out yesterday the hard way. But yeah, that's the overall. You feel me? Y'all leave a like and comment, and I'm gonna start posting some more content with the mini bike. Some wheelie content, some exploring content. Once I get that bike running, I'm gonna ride it for a little minute, but y'all already know what the deal is with that. But hey, if you want to see some mini bike content, some wheelies, some XYZs, some flames and shit, this motherfucker shoots flames like a motherfucker. So yeah, but y'all leave a like and subscribe. I do have a TikTok, and I'll probably be posting more frequent updates on TikTok about the bike. And this is just a little bit more easier. So yeah.